Hey guys, welcome back, and I'm doing a new series of Blocky, and I'm going to teach you everything that's in Blocky and pretty much every code. And this is a new series, so yeah, have fun. And I'm about to start with a puzzle, Blocky. So let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to do the duck. We have the duck right here. We have the picture. We're going to put the picture right here, and then we're going to choose its leg. Do not forget the legs part. It has two legs. And then its traits are it has a feather, it has feathers, and it has a beak. And then we're going to do the bee. For the bee, we're going to put the picture right here, and then we're going to choose its legs, which is 6. And then we're going to do, it produces honey, its traits are honey, and a stinger. And then we're going to do the snail. The snail, it has a shell, and it produces slime. And then we're going to put the picture, and it has 0 legs. Then at last we're going to do the cat. We're going to put it right here. We're going to put the picture, and it has fur, and it has whiskers. So, and then we're going to choose the leg, which is 4. And then this is all the puzzle. If you guys want to pause the video and look at it again, then you're more than welcome to. And then after that, when you're done, you can click check answer, and it should be good. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day, guys.